CNBC TV18 exclusive, and for that we have Ritu Singh joining in with us. Ritu, you're picking up some details coming in on the IndusInd Bank session. What are these details? What are we watching out for now over here?
Well, for IndusInd Bank, the big question has been who takes over as the next CEO to clean up the books, to restore confidence and steer the bank back on track. Now, the Reserve Bank of India, if you remember, had asked the bank's board to submit a list of potential candidates by the end of June. And now our sources tell us that 3 serious contenders have emerged. The first is, as widely speculated, Rajiv Anand of Axis Bank. He has about 35 years of experience in the financial services field. He's been with Axis Bank since 2009, the group rather, and on the bank's board since 2013. And in his last position as DMD, he oversaw the wholesale banking and the digital banking functions. He has a background in capital markets, mutual funds and treasury as well, and is overall seen as a very strong contender. The second is Anup Saha from Bajaj Finance. Remember, he also comes with more than 3 decades of experience, 25 in financial services, 14 years at ICICI Bank before he joined Bajaj Finance in 2017, and only very recently was he elevated to the managing director position. He's also led businesses across credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, structured finance, and so on. The third candidate, according to our sources, is Rahul Shukla of HDFC Bank. Again, he comes with more than 30 years of experience. He was with Citibank earlier and joined HDFC Bank in 2018 and oversees a corporate book. And of course, in his last position, he took over as HDFC Bank's commercial and rural banking head, but is currently on a sabbatical from the bank. Now, while all 3 are seen as contenders, our sources indicate, Rajiv Anand and Anup Saha are being looked at very keenly by the board. We also understand that while IndusInd Bank board has held informal discussions with the Reserve Bank of India about these potential candidate names, it is yet to formally submit that list to the RBI. Now, typically, RBI takes anywhere between 4 to 8 weeks, sometimes even longer, to approve the bank CEO names. But in this case, our sources suggest that the regulator may fast-track the approval simply given the extraordinary circumstances at IndusInd Bank, where we've seen a spate of top-level exits. There is a leadership vacuum following a series of accounting lapses that came to light.
Well, along with Ritu, the street is also keeping a very close eye on the developments at IndusInd Bank. As just Ritu broke the story, the stock has now surged to the highest point of the day, 3.5% higher on that stock, building onto those gains after Ritu's news break. Ritu, thanks a lot for that update. The other